If you're doing throttle body actuator on S65 M3, here's just a quick tip on what to disconnect. So you got this one right here. I believe that's a coolant temp sensor, and then there's another one down there that you need to disconnect. And then there's this one right here. This type of clip, you just like press it and it will just like disconnect. And then there's this one right here. It connects to this round connectors here. This one you simply just pull, so you just come apart. And there's another one here, the round one. This one right here. So this one right here connects to this one right here, and it just like come apart too. You just pull it. Now for the actual throttle body actuator, there is this clip right here. So there's this push pin right here. You just push it, and what I did, I just used like a flathead screwdriver to push this both ends little by little, so that way they come out evenly, and then once you have enough gap, then you can just pull it out. Other than that, like, this is enough space to pull out the throttle body actuator. So like literally I can put my fist through here, so that's actually big enough space. The bolt, you're gonna need the T30. Looks like this one right here. It's a T30, and highly recommend to get a magnetic tool like this to get that bolt out. Otherwise my finger can't fit in that space in there, so this tool is very helpful, as well as the installation, so to drop the bolts in. So highly recommend this tool for this job. Other than that, just take your time, make sure to cover your throttle bodies, that way you don't drop like this bolt or any debris inside the engine. Take your time, just be careful.